Are you looking for tips to make your money work for you? Today, we will dive into the world of investing and explore some key strategies that can help you grow your wealth over time. Main content. 1. Start with a clear goal. Before you begin investing, it's essential to establish your financial goals. Whether you're saving for retirement, a new home, or your child's education, having a clear objective will guide your investment decisions and keep you focused on the long term. 2. Diversify your portfolio. One of the most important rules of investing is to diversify your portfolio. By spreading your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can reduce risk and maximize your potential returns. 3. Stay informed and educated. The world of investing is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed and educated about market trends, economic indicators, and investment opportunities. By staying up to date with the latest news and developments, you can make more informed decisions about where to put your money. 4. Consider long-term growth. While it can be tempting to chase short-term gains, focusing on long-term growth is key to building wealth through investing. By adopting a patient and disciplined approach, you can ride out market fluctuations and benefit from the power of compounding over time. 5. Seek professional advice. If you're new to investing or feeling overwhelmed by the options available, don't be afraid to seek professional advice. A financial advisor can help you create a tailored investment strategy based on your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. 6. Monitor and adjust your portfolio. The key to successful investing is to regularly monitor and adjust your portfolio as needed. By reviewing your investments on a regular basis and making adjustments based on changing market conditions or personal circumstances, you can ensure that your money is working as hard as possible. Outro.